Are you ready to unlock the full potential of the Calculator app on your iPhone? With a few handy gestures and some lesser-known features, you can streamline your calculations and make things a lot easier. Let's dive into the top 5 tips and tricks for maximizing your experience with the Calculator app. Swipe to delete a digit. Did you make a mistake in your calculation? No need to start from scratch. First, tap on the 3-line icon at the top left corner. Then, simply swipe left or right on the number display to erase the last digit you entered. Each swipe will remove one digit, so keep swiping until you have corrected your input. Access the scientific calculator. Need some advanced functions like exponents or trigonometry? Start by opening the Calculator app. Next, tap on the calculator icon located in the lower left corner. After that, tap on Scientific. This will unlock the scientific calculator, providing you access to functions such as sine, cosine, tangent, log, and many more. Copy and paste results. Want to quickly copy results for use in other apps? First, tap and hold on the displayed result to reveal the copy option. Then, tap Copy, and you can paste the result into apps like Notes, Messages, or Safari whenever you need it. Use Spotlight for simple calculations. You can perform quick calculations without opening the Calculator app by using Spotlight Search. Start by swiping down on the home screen to bring up Spotlight Search. Next, type in your calculation, for example, 45 multiplied 6 or 100 plus 250, and watch the result pop up instantly. Repeat the last calculation. Want to redo your last calculation without having to re-enter it? Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right or swiping up from the bottom on older iPhones. Then, tap the calculator icon and it will display the result of your last calculation. You can reuse that result or continue right where you left off. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of your iPhone's calculator app and perform calculations with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and we cannot wait to see you in the next video.